What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change phone number on Blizzard Battle.net. So you might be wondering how to exactly change or update your phone number here in Blizzard Battle.net. Well, this one is fairly easy. So what you need to do first here is you want to go ahead and access your account. So go to Battle.net and basically log in. Now at the top right of the screen, you want to go and click on your profile username, and you want to go to your account settings. Now, under account settings, what we need to do is we want to go to account details, go ahead and click on account details. And from here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see phone number. Now, there are two ways for you to update your phone number here. So you could go ahead and remove your phone number first, or you could go and just directly click on the update button I see here next to it. Now, once you click on it, it's going to ask you, are you really sure that you want to change it? Go ahead and click on change. And from here, it's going to do a security check first here. So in this case, just enter the security code that you'll be receiving. And in the next page, you should now have the option to update your phone number. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.